Good morning, friends. Today we are going to deal with some more methods in dictionary. So I'm creating a dictionary called countries underscore capitals. So India capital is New Delhi. Spain capital is Madrid. Egypt capital is Cairo. So Afghanistan capital is Kabul. Okay. Now let us stop this. Right. So if I print this dictionary countries underscore capitals, so we got this dictionary, right? Now we are going to discuss some more methods now. So this countries underscore capitals is very big name. Now I want to copy into in another dictionary. So let us say C. So I want to copy the same dictionary with name C. So for that we have a method called copy countries underscore capitals dot copy. Sorry, copy. So if I print C here, so you get the same values because C is a copy of countries underscore capitals dictionary. Okay. Now, so this is about copy method. Now we have a method called from keys. So if I have a product milk, okay, and the extracts are curd, then cheese, then butter. So if you have a situation like this, you have to, these are keys, okay, the extracts are keys, okay, set of keys, well, set of keys, and this product is a value, okay, this product is a value. Now if you want all the keys to be associated with the same value, you have to use a method called from keys. Okay, you have to use like this, big dot from keys. Okay, and you have to choose key values. So here keys are extracts, comma, value is product, and you can save this into S and print S. See here. So in this way you can create a new dictionary using a method called from keys. So when you have to use this, when you have a single value and you have a set of keys, if each key value is associated with the same value, then you have to use from keys method in dictionary. Okay, then we have a method called pop. Okay, now extracts dot pop of, okay, sorry, so the dictionary is S, so you have to write S because this. So pop, now I want to remove butter, so if I write butter here and print S, see what happens. See, the butter related these associative key values are removed and the remaining are printed. In this way pop works. Okay, so we discussed about dictionary, the methods, key values update, pop, okay, items, and now we have a last method called clear. Okay, s dot clear. So if you print s, what happens? You will get an empty dictionary. Okay, so these are dictionary methods. So in the next video we are going to discuss the applications of dictionary. Okay.